Welcome back, guys, to another video, and today we're going to do the crypto taxes for Bitstamp. It's really fast. I'm going to show you step by step how it works. It's very easy. Let's dive into the computer. You have two options in here. You can do the API pull or the CSV export. I'm going to show you both. It's very easy. Let's go into CoinTracking. If you don't have a CoinTracking account yet, it's very easy. Go in and create an account. It takes less than a minute. It's just a username and a password, and then you're in. And then you go into imports, quick access, and we search for Bitstamp. Once you find it, click on it and you see the two options of API import and CSV import. We will start with the CSV first, and you click CSV, and we have created links for you so you are getting to the correct page immediately on the exchange. So simply click the link and a tab will open where you can export your transaction history. On the top right side, you will see open export options. You will click that, and then here you can choose the date range from where on your trading history starts in Bitstamp. Please select all the transactions you have in Bitstamp, otherwise you're going to have errors in CoinTracking and your tax report later on. We will select September 1st until the last day of December to include all the transactions we have in this account, and we will simply click export selection. Now you have your CSV export of Bitstamp, and we'll go back into CoinTracking and import that file. Once your file has loaded into CoinTracking, you simply click continue to import, and you will see that our importer has imported all the transactions. And if you click continue, you will see all the different transactions in your account. If there's no errors in your account, then start the import and all the transactions will be imported into your account. And on the right side, you will see Bitstamp import done, meaning all the transactions are correctly imported in your account. And now we can proceed to the tax report, but I will show you also the API version, how it works. So I will delete the transactions so we don't create any duplicates and do the API. To do the API import, we have to hover over to the API import side of Bitstamp. It's very easy to find again here under imports, quick access, and then search for Bitstamp. And then you will come to the same page we are right now. Here again, we have a link for you, so you can simply click it and then you will be on the right page on the exchange where you can generate your API key. In Bitstamp, we have to do our verification with the password and the 6-digit authentication code in the app. So we're gonna do that. Now we type in our 6-digit two-factor authentication code, and if we click continue, we'll be on the next side where we can create our API access for CoinTracking. All we have to do is click create new API and give the read access. We don't need any trading allowance, we don't need any sub account transfer, only the read only. Create new API, then we have to verify once again, and once we have done that, we will see our API key and API secret. We take those and copy them into CoinTracking. Once we have done that, then we simply scroll down and save this Bitstamp job. If our API key is correct and the secret, then the API connection will be created and we will see a big green check of job saved, which means the API job is saved in our account, and now the data import will start in the background and we have to wait a couple of minutes until all the transactions get into your account. Once all the transactions are in your account, and please make sure that all the exchange transactions and all the different wallets you used in the past are in your account, and that you validated your account for all the errors and fix all the errors with the help of our reports. And only then you can move on to the tax report. Otherwise you will have errors in the tax report. So go to the tax report, click tax report, and on this page, you will have to select your country. If you select your country, then you will have pre-selected all our recommended settings and you don't have to do anything in here unless you want to customize your report. But again, we have pre-selected the recommended settings for you. In our case, it is Germany, and we simply scroll down and click generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, as you see, we have our tax report, and you will see your first numbers here. And then if you click load report, you will see a more detailed calculation of all the numbers. You can scroll down and see everything in very detail, but we will not do that now. We just simply click download tax report. For here we see some more options for the export. Also you have the option to export as PDF or Excel, and then you have your tax report generated. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.